In this video, we're going to cover using pre-assigned variables as arguments. So our square root function takes in 3 arguments, as we know. Let's pick out some different ones. So taking the square root of 1509, initial guess is 20. Allow the max error to be 0.01, and we get that. Great. So let's say, we'll just say the variable value A is 1509 here. B is 20 and C is 0.01. So we can use these variables, okay? So if they appeared somewhere else in our program and they've been assigned, well, we can just pass them in like this. There's nothing wrong with doing that. We can have some that are, so let's just say we're trying to find the, maybe you have 295, trying to find the square root of that. So we can mix and match. So remember, a variable is just a reference to an underlying value. So it doesn't matter if we put in the actual value here or use a variable to represent the value. That is all good.